Hello and welcome back to Bell CB. We're looking at the RCI-2950DX. This is a tune-up report for Sam in Texas. This is one of two radios for Sam today. This is what we got Sam on. This watt meter, we're looking at 10 watts all the way across, top scale. It's about 10 watt dead key all the way up. I'm going to turn it down, we got about 2, a little bit above 2. It's as low as it would go. On the peak reading meter, 50 watt scale, 20, 30, 40. That's what you're going to see right there.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, let's try some upper sideband.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check.
Okay, we'll try some FM.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check.
Yeah, we'll put it on the air.
Blago 19 for radio check, Camille. Check and drop. I appreciate it, thank you.